Our luck turns to us. Nothing is more important than that we feel good, excited and full of joy, because when we have a celebration party first, then our luck turns to us, but not the other way around. Many of us seem to have forgotten how to celebrate. When we celebrate, it is an act of self-acknowledgement, demonstrating to ourselves that we have achieved another success. The act of celebration helps us to stay in the present, to live in the moment. By celebrating every small step forward, our efforts gain momentum. Thomas Edison, the inventor, explained that every error we make is nevertheless a cause for celebration, because we can always learn from our mistakes. Life is a journey. This means that every step, as well as reaching a particular destination along the way, remains a part of the same journey. Celebrating every success is recognition of a life well lived.